Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm really excited because I finally received two parcels, as you can see, all the way from Delhi. And so inside, as you can see, these boxes. In these boxes, there are two types of important parts for my Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. The one is the oil filter and the diesel filter. Now, originally, I wanted to buy these filters from Mumbai, but the prices there was a bit on the higher sides. So, after some research and checking with different suppliers, I decided to purchase them from Delhi, uh, where I got a much better deal. Now, yes, I have one trusted dealer over there who can source me all the original Mitsubishi OEM parts, and I got this at as I said at a much better deal. So guys, let's talk something important for all diesel owners. The difference between a simple diesel filter and a canister type filter. So this will also help some Pajero owners like me, because depending on the market, Mitsubishi use both versions. Now, as you can see, this is simple diesel filter in front of me. This is made in Thailand, and here you can see the original OEM part number. Now, the simple diesel filter is usually a small foam or a paper type filter that sits inside a housing. It looks very basic, it's pretty lightweight, and these are generally cheaper. So the function is same. It cleans diesel fuel by removing dirt, water, and other impurities. But again, there are a couple of drawbacks. So since it's a smaller and less robust filters, it might not filter fuel as efficiently when you're using poor quality diesel. Also, changing only the element can be a little messy since you have to handle the housing, O-rings, and seals. So that's something crucial that I want to tell. Of course, the people who use the bigger diesel engines. Now, on the other hand, there is a canister filter. Same, the function is pretty much same as this fuel filter, but it has got the metal body cartridge, which is often larger and heavier. This is a full unit replacement. You just need to swap the old ones with the new one, and it gives a better filtration because the surface area inside is bigger. This is a smaller filter. I'm talking about the canister filter. In case if you don't know, the bigger canister filters are especially used in some colder climates, or in some colder countries like in Russia, Siberia. There in Pajero Sport, they have these big canister filters. So yeah, again back to a point. So it gives a filtration because the surface area inside is bigger on those filters, and it also separates water more effectively. So many Pajero Sports that you found in Russia or in Siberia, for example, use that type of filter because their diesel quality is different, and they need stronger filtration. In India, the diesel quality, well, it depends, but mostly I've seen it's pretty much poor, and for those kind of quality, I think these simple foam type filters are more than enough. So again, if you like compare the on both the filters, a simple filter. This is a simple filter. This is a simple foam filter. This is smaller, cheaper, um, good if your diesel quality is consistently clean. Then you can use these filters. But most of the time, the diesel quality which you found in India is not that great. and but yeah, still it performs well. And basically these are if you see, even if you see the Mitsubishi Motors logo or branding, whatever you see over here, these filters are made by Denso. So the Denso filters are quite robust. They are, yeah, they are used in a couple of JDM cars as well, so they're quite robust as well. Now again, the canister filter comparatively is bigger, stronger, full metal body, and has a better protection against the bad fuel. Now, for the longer engine life, especially for the older 4056 engine, or even some old Toyota engines like the 1KD, which comes in the older Fortuner, um, I personally prefer the canister filter, even though it costs a little more, because bad diesel can cause injector and pump damage, which is much more expensive to repair. Now, unfortunately, you won't find the canister filter in India. They won't sell it. You can install them, but there is a lot of technical things that you need to do before installing that filter. I think this is more than enough.